Don't hit me. Hey, don't hit my head. Don't hit my eye. Ow. So now, look what I'm going to push. What do you push? Are these real buttons?
They'll pretend.
Why are they pretend?
Well, what do you think would happen if they were real?
I can't put mine on. I can't put mine on.
Do you need help?
Stormtrooper.
Yeah, Stormtrooper. Whoa.
Stormtrooper. Stormtrooper.
Careful.
Mommy?
Yeah.
This!
Woo!
This! My helmet!
Yes.
My helmet!
That is your helmet.
Daddy! 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 Look!
Whoa.
What? My helmet!
You are very scary.
I barely with my helmet.
Yes, you are.
You look bad.
Look!
I'm looking. Woo!
Mommy?
Yeah.
I put my helmet up.
Yeah. So you can see.
Yeah.
Good idea.
He will not put his helmet up.
No, here he comes.
Come, I have mine on.
Oh no, it's Darth Vader. Oh, I'm so scared.
Hillary, Roman, hit my head. Ow!
Don't hit him in the face, please. There.
How does protect you from getting hurt?
Yes, they do.
Hillary, please. Roman, huh? Let's start fighting. Put your helmets down. My helmet down. Start fighting. Hillary, put his helmet up.
Did you get him?
Hillary dead. Hillary? Hillary dead. Mom,
Yeah.
my name is Darth Vader. My name is Stormtrooper. Are you dead? Mommy, I want to take it off.
Okay.